In this video, I'll show you how to create a new schema and how to add a table to the new schema and how to import data to the new schema and create a table. All right. So I have my SQL Server here. I have the SQL Server 2019 and my instance name is Tiger. Okay. So let's begin. To create a new schema, I will use the DBA database here. So to create a new schema, expand the database, go to the security and right click, go to the new and then schema, and then you can provide the schema name. Okay, so let's create the schema, my movie. You can give any schema name you want, and then you need to assign a schema owner. So go to search, browse, and I will give you the DB owner as a schema owner, right? You can assign as many as owner you want from there is based on the necessity. Click OK and OK. All right. So you can see we have a new schema here, my movie. Okay. So let's minimize. Now I want to add a new table to this schema. So to add a or create a new table, go to your table, right click, new table. It will open this window. Now, if you create a table, let's show you. By default, you'll go to the DBO schema. And if you want to change the schema name, you need to click here. Then you need to go to the properties. And from schema, you need to set up the schema you want to. So I'll set up my movie and then save the table. I will skip the table name, action movie, and click OK. All right. So we create and save the table. And if you see here, let's refresh, and you'll see my movie schema with the table name. Okay. Now, if you want to import data on a new schema, how we can do that? So to do that, go to the DBA, right click, task, and you want to import data from the flat file. You'll open this wizard. Next. Now, the location of the file to be imported. Okay. So browse. So I have a file movie name. Open it. And the new table name, let's see movie name 1. Okay. And here you need to define the schema. By default, it will take the DBO. And see, this is the schema we have. So from here, I'll choose the my movie. Click next. So on the table, we have only 2 ID and 2 movie name. Click OK. If you want to the primary key, you can assign the primary key here. If you want to allow null or not, you can decide from here. Okay. So click next and finish. And the operation completed successfully. Now refresh the table here. And you can see the movie name 1 table here. Okay. And case mistakenly you create a table here on my movie. but actually it should be on the STS or maybe on the DBO. How we can do that? You cannot change the schema name. So there's another way is this movie name one, I will assign the DBO. So to do that, right click script, create to new query window editor. So it will open the table script on a new query window. It's taking some time. So while taking time, we can delete this one, or maybe we can keep it. All right. So here, if you see our new query window editor, our schema name is my movie. And if you want to change the schema name, you can do it from here, DBO, okay, and run the script, completed successfully. Refresh the table, and you can see the DBO new movie here, okay. So if you have any comments, you can mention below, and if you likes the video, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.